Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working in Rainbow Six Siege. If your teammates can't hear you or your mic just won't pick up sound, follow these steps and we'll get it fixed. Let's get started. Step 1. Microphone Privacy Settings. First, open your Windows settings and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure the option that says Microphone Access is turned on. Right below that, also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled. These settings are important because if they're turned off, your mic won't work at all. Step 2. Sound Settings. Now head over to your sound settings. Check that the correct input device, microphone, is selected. Your main mic should show normal sound levels when you speak. Click on More Sound Settings, go to the Recording tab, and make sure your mic is set as default. Right-click on it, click Properties, then go to the Levels tab. Make sure your mic is not muted, and the volume is set high enough. In the Advanced tab, make sure to select the highest quality available and check both boxes that say, Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Give exclusive mode applications priority. Step 3. Volume Mixer and In-Game Settings. Next, right-click your volume icon in the taskbar and select Volume Mixer. Find Rainbow Six Siege in the list and make sure your mic isn't muted there. Also, make sure the correct input device is set, either default or your specific microphone. At the bottom, you can press Reset to reset sound settings to default for all apps. This can help fix any hidden misconfigurations. Once you've done all that, launch Rainbow Six Siege again and test your mic in-game. And that's it! Your mic should be working now. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and take care.